Hey guys, it's Lyle here, and today is a beautiful winter day, -3. I'm going to show you a couple things. I got a delicious steak dinner with some beans. I'm also going to show you taking out the Viking sled, and I'm going to take you around camp here and just show you what it's like living here in Northern Ontario. So let's get started. Amazing. Oh, something's on fire.
It is?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the ether. What? Because there's a lot of spillage there too.
For all the viewers right now, we're using ether. Ether is extremely flammable, and it's not recommended to use. Very dangerous. Managed to get the Yamaha Viking going. What we had to do is we put some gas into the fuel line. We used a little bit of ether. Just a reminder, ether is really dangerous. And then just had to quickly charge the battery. Now she's going. Like a beaut too. So I show you the sled here. Then I'm going to take you inside of this beautiful cabin we got, and by the time I do that, we should have some delicious steaks about to be cooking. Also, stay tuned for the short video of the steaks. Well, how you feeling now?
Good. I didn't even get to use this. I just tried it.
Oh wow. You must have flooded it, I guess, eh?
Because remember it started to cut out. I
Yeah.
gave it a good gas. These things just fuel inject.
Inside the log cabin, here we are. We got a magnificent view. There's the downstairs wood stove. And we have upstairs. So over there we got a wood stove. There's a bed set up here. A beautiful bed, might I add. made locally by one of the neighbors on the lake. And for summertime, we have the Coleman cooler here, and then we have a little kitchen area. This isn't, it's nothing too extreme being in here. It's not completely created. My dad wants to build more stuff over here, and obviously quite a bit more to finish up the place. I'm gonna take you over to the fire pit here. Got a fire going, and pretty soon we're gonna have some food. There we go. And in just a minute here, she's going to be ready to flip. Flipping too. Now she's flipped. Couple chickadees in the area too. Those are the type of birds you can set your hand out with a little bit of seed in them, and they'll fly right and land in your hand and eat them. Same with whiskey jacks, but we haven't seen any of those today. Those are also known as gray jays. Food's just about ready. We're going to show you those on the plate, but we're not going to show you eating them because we don't do mukbang.
Should have a separate plate for those.
Yeah.
So we finished up cooking, we got the sled going, and I showed you around the cabin. That's going to be it for the day. So if you liked what you saw today, don't forget, hit that little bell icon. Also subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out. I'm trying to get to 250 subscribers. Right now I'm around 130. Yeah, we're going to eat that delicious food and have yourself a great day.